guys, welcome back to Flying Monk. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the cure for diabetes from the Ayurveda perspective. Are you worried you will be swallowing up the pills for the rest of your life? Are you thinking healing it naturally from Ayurveda? Kudos, you are thinking right. Let's start this golden journey. It is a well-known fact that our society is facing this problem from many ages. So today we are going to be talking about the permanent cure for the diabetes type 2. While type 2 diabetes mellitus is incurable according to the modern health science, but Ayurveda has a permanent cure for the diabetes type 2. In Ayurveda, the natural herbs and the Ayurvedic therapies, along with a healthy lifestyle, a well-balanced diet, and some form of exercise or activities to cure the diabetes mellitus. According to Ayurveda, the diabetes is caused by the imbalances of the Vata and the Kapha doshas. First, let's have a look at how the diabetes is caused because Ayurveda goes to the root cause. Diabetes 2 is a common metabolic disorder that affects your body insulin and glucose level. In this chronic health condition, either the pancreas is not producing sufficient of the insulin or your body becomes unresponsive to the use insulin for glucose level control. Now, some factors may lead to diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus is the condition in which the blood sugar levels are high. The food that we eat is converted into glucose and is used as a source of energy. This is done by the insulin, the hormone released from the pancreas. Insulin maintains the blood glucose levels, otherwise an increase that is called hyperglycemia or the decrease that is called hypoglycemia in those levels might cause the health issues to the individual. Due to certain metabolic disorders, the body does not produce adequate amount of insulin, that is type 1 diabetes, or the body does not respond to the insulin and become resistant to it, that is type 2 diabetes. The symptoms of diabetes includes the frequent urination, weight loss, weight gain, excessive thirst, excessive hunger, blurred vision, fatigue, and unhealed wounds, etc. The primary cause is the lack of exercise, mental stress, strain, excessive sleep, overeating, consequently obesity. The hereditary factors also play a role in causing diabetes. Let's have a look at the simple tips which will help you manage your diabetes suggested by Ayurveda. Here are the 5 foods that a diabetes type 2 patients should include in their diet to control their blood sugar levels naturally. To reduce kapha, you should follow the kapha pacifying diet, especially avoiding the excess intake of sweets, carbohydrates and dairy products. Take more fresh vegetables and bitter herbs. Include whole grains in the diet such as whole wheat, ragi and brown rice. Now let's look at the home remedies which will help you manage your diabetes. Jamun seeds make a measure of the Ayurvedic diabetes medicine. Take a glass full of water and a teaspoon of jamun seed powder every morning on an empty stomach. Put 1 cup of water in a copper vessel at night and drink the water in the morning. Diabetes should definitely have a stock of methi dana in their homes. You can consume methi dana soaked in water every morning. Ginger helps stimulate the digestion, that is beneficial in reducing the excess of the kapha in your system. Here are some bitter foods that you must include in your diet to control your blood sugar levels and manage your diabetes better. Bitter melon is also known as karela or bitter gourd. Bitter melon, also known as karela or bitter gourd, can be amazing and odd addition to your anti-diabetes regimen. Bitter melon also contains the anti-diabetic substance called charatin, which has been shown to help decrease the blood glucose levels. Bitter melon can also be turned into a diabetic fighting juices. So you can also include the karela juice in your diet. This juice has been revered for its ability to help manage your weight and glucose levels by better activating your insulin. So try out this bitter but a very wonderful juice, or you can add it in your diet as a vegetable. Here are the 5 Ayurvedic herbs that will help you manage your diabetes better. The leaves of the mangoes are absolutely loaded with the amazing anti-diabetes vitamins and nutrients. In fact, these green leaves have been used for medicinal purposes in China for thousands of years. But even today, these nutritional dense leaves are a go-to as a natural remedy for diabetic complications. So what exactly makes the leaf of this high sugar fruit such a good weapon in fight against the diabetes? Let's find out. Mango leaf extract has been shown to improve your body's production of insulin. Plus, these leaves contain the beneficial plant compounds including the terpenoids. Terpenoids like polyphenol, and they are essential for improving the health of your immune system. Yoga and meditation have been proved to be effective in treating the diabetes. So these are some asanas which will be very effective if you do it twice a day. So guys, that's it from the today's video in which we spoke about the permanent cure of diabetes from Ayurveda. Please hit that like button, share it with your friend and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram handle, that is shruti.flyingmonk. Until next time from Flying Monk, see you guys.